Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inserting a video into your Canva designs is a straightforward process that can enhance your content in a lot of ways. Once you're logged into your account, you can start by selecting a template that you wanted to work with. You can choose from social media, education, business, of course, video. If you have a specific design in mind, you can simply click the Create a Design option in the upper left corner. In this case, we're going to be using something like YouTube videos for one. You can start by creating a blank YouTube video, or maybe we can start from any of these templates. Let's click on the Create a Blank YouTube Video. Let me rename this. I'm going to upload some right here. Now, for you to insert videos here in Canva, it's a straightforward process. All you're going to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on videos. You can record yourself if you wanted. You can allow the camera for you to record yourself here. Or you can simply click on upload. Right? There's going to be an upload button here. You have an option for the images and videos. All right? When you hover down on videos, you can drag media here to upload or connect an account like Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Photos. All right. All you have to do is connect your Google Drive to connect your account, and then you can drag any video that you wanted here in Canva. Right. Alternatively, if you don't have any file that you can upload, you might want to hover again to the videos where you can insert any videos here. These are some of the videos. But please remember that when you see a watermark, all right, a Pro Canva, before you can insert that video, it has a watermark. And for you to remove the watermarks, you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro. But of course, you can simply click on the any videos that doesn't have any watermark, so you can use it for free here in Canva. So basically, that's one way for you to be able to insert videos. And another thing is, you can also go to the app section. You see, on the left side, there's going to be a video and audio QR. And there's wherein you can record and playback video and audio in your design. All right. If you want to sign in, just click that. You also have an option, go to the apps right here. Click on embed. Now, we have a separate video on how to embed videos here in Canva using these platforms, YouTube, Vimeo, TED, and Spotify. All right, so you might want to check that on our channel. Basically, that's how you insert videos here in Canva. Of course, if you have like a video on your mind, especially within your computer, you might want to check on that as well. After that, you can simply harness the potential of Canva inserting videos, and once you are happy with that, click on play to see if your design fits perfectly well, right? Because videos can explain complex ideas or convey messages faster and more clearly than text alone. Once you're happy with it, all you're going to do is click on the upper right corner to download an MP4 or a GIF. Or if you wanted to share this to social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, you can do that as well. You also have the option to forward this video as an attachment via email, WhatsApp, iMessage, or Facebook Messenger. Of course, you can also share this to your team, your collaborators, if you're working with multiple freelancers, or even your client. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.